Hello everyone, my name is Shaunda of Hair by Shaunda TV, and in today's video I will be creating a rice water hair mask for myself. And I'm just going to jump right into it. I ordered some rice, some organic rice off of Amazon, and I used 2 of the little cutie orange peels to put in for masking the scent. I used an old Alfredo jar that I cooked with a couple of days ago, and I rinsed it out and put the ingredients in, sat it on my patio table for 4 days and let it ferment. Okay, so after letting it sit outside for 4 days and I let it ferment, I'm ready to shake it up and separate all the nutrients from the rice and put it into my mask. Now, those orange peels, they didn't work because, baby, the rice water smells so funky. It was so musty, but I'm going to add this lavender oil to calm down the stinky smell a bit and also add more nutrients to my mask. I just want to add that I put 4 drops, 4.5, 5 drops of lavender to the mask. Now moving on to my mango and lime Jamaican castor oil. I love this stuff, y'all. This stuff is amazing. I use it on a lot of my clients and myself as well. So I'm going to put about 3 or 4 capfuls into the mask. Okay, now this Cream of Nature Coconut Milk Detangling Conditioner, I am using this just to add as a filler. I mean, it works. It's a good conditioner, but I'm just going to use it to thicken the consistency of my rice water mask. All right, finally, I'm going to add my aloe vera gel, and I got this from Amazon as well, guys. And it says it's 99.75%. I'm going to believe them, okay? So I don't care. I just threw that bottle upside down, and I poured until I felt like it was enough. So I really didn't measure it. And you're welcome to do the same as well. I probably used 1/4 of the bottle. And I'm just going to stir it up until it becomes nice and thick, and I'm going to add it in my hair. So I shampooed my hair about a good 3 times to make sure that my strands were nice and clean so that it can absorb all of the good stuff that this mask has to offer. So I have my bowl and my brush and I'm ready to roll. And you'll see real soon that I was over this tint brush because it's not like I'm using a chemical. I don't even know why I have gloves on. I think I just don't want to touch it. I don't know. I don't know. But eventually I ended up putting that brush down, girl, and I just start digging in and slapping it in my hair. All right, so let's talk hair texture and what mine is. I am originally a 3B. The top of my hair, of course, looks straighter than the bottom due to me putting a mild relaxer in the top because I do wear sew-ins and always wear a middle part. So I like for my sew-ins to look natural. I like for my hair to match the texture of my extensions. So, and you know, the only way for me to do that for me is to put a mild relaxer in. I don't put a regular relaxer. I put a mild relaxer in. And I, you know, flat iron it and it stays. So right there where I'm rubbing the conditioner in, my hair came out on both sides right in the exact same spot due to me wearing a 4x4 lace front wig. And it's like the pressure, because it would give me headaches there sometimes too. So the pressure from the wigs kind of rubbed my hair out there. So I'm just treating it till it comes back. So I'm just going to put my scarf on and my plastic cap and run a few errands and leave it on for about an hour. I'm not going to lie. I left it on probably for about 2 hours because I came home and I cooked. And then I ate. So yeah, I just went to the post office and came right back. Okay, right off the bat, guys, my hair feels so light and fluffy. That's my son. That's my baby, y'all. But anyway, it just feels so good, even with the conditioner in. So I rinsed out my mask, and I rinsed it really good too because I didn't want any traces of that stuff left behind. So I am just going to detangle it a little bit. And guys, I swear, my hair feels so light. It feels so light and fluffy. Like if I keep doing this right here, I am going to dry my hair in about 10 minutes because it's just so light and fluffy. So right now I'm getting ready to blow dry my hair, and I'm going to put Hot Blocker Heat Protectant, my very own product line, guys. Please support. And I'm not going to use that much because I will add some more before I actually curl it. Isn't my little bitty blow dryer the cutest? But honey, don't let the size fool you. That blow dryer gets hot. That blow dryer packs a mean punch, I swear. And y'all, my hair dried so fast. Like, it didn't take me longer than 5 minutes to blow dry my hair from start to finish. I mean, God, that mask is amazing. My hair feels so soft. I can't wait till it starts growing. All right, I'm getting ready to curl my hair with my famous Silk Master flat iron, guys. If you're interested in ordering this iron, the link will be in the description below, or you can just go to saloncast.com. So I'm gonna use my hot blocker again, like I mentioned, and I don't like to spray it directly in my hair, only because you know how you get that one spot of product just right there. I feel like when I put it in my hands, I can evenly distribute it throughout my hair. Ooh, look how that bang did that. You know you think you're cute when your lips poked out. So I'm just going to throw a couple of curls in my hair. Nothing too fancy. I want some body this time. I always make it straight. So just going to throw a few curls in. Not going to do no specific parting. I'm just going to grab some hair and curl it. My strands are so soft and shiny. I mean, I just love the way my hair feels, I swear. I'm definitely going to do that mask every week. So my hair naturally is not really that thick. I mean, my parents didn't give me really thick hair. So with this rice water mask, you know, the aloe vera and the rice water is supposed to promote fullness. So I'm not expecting for my hair to just get out of the jungle thick. And I know it's not, because I wasn't born with that in my DNA. So I say that to pass on to you ladies. If your mommy and your daddy did not give you thick hair, it's not coming. It's hereditary. If grandma gave you thick hair, okay, but that it's not, I mean, it is hereditary. I'm sorry. If it's not in your family, you're not gonna have it. I mean, it's just simple as that. All right, so now I'm just gonna hit these edges with a little edge control from Castor Hair Care, and you know, just kind of finish off the styling of my nice little body wave, my flat ironed body waves. See, I'm trying to make this bang look a little, I'm trying to make it do something, okay? You know, with this quarantine, a lot of my products are at the salon, so I'm working with limited products. So I don't have my hairspray. So, I mean, I'm not going anywhere. I just did this to care for my hair while I'm on quarantine. So, yay. Okay, there it is. I got my poof up in my bang. You know, but it is nice and full. It feels really fluffy. I mean, it feels so airy. Like the wind can just blow it anywhere. I love it. So I give this mask an A+. You can try it out for yourselves. Thank you for watching, and please support my flat irons. You can go to saloncast.com and order your Silkmaster flat irons or your Castor Hair Care products. Bye.
What's good, y'all? It's your boy IGZ. Welcome to the hair conditioning tutorial made by Hair by Shaunda TV. Make sure you guys go subscribe, go down and click the like button. I think it's like right here, right?
They're not gonna hear none of it because I do voiceovers. But I can say this is my
It's just a blooper. It's just a blooper. I'm not GC. My channel's in the description down below. And make sure you guys go subscribe, like, and show some love. You know what I'm saying? I also do Twitch streams. Link in the description.